Yeah. Is this farther from Fullerton? It's a little bit farther, ha? Tama? Yeah. Wow. May Coca-Cola is $3.59. Ha. This one here, oh. Ang mahal, oh. That's... Drinks. What about tea? Siya, Annalie, get tea. Bawang cracker.
Bawang nuts.
Yan. Ano? Ano yan?
Chocolatey burger cookies.
Grabe naman.
Oh, those are good. Those ones are actually good.
Chocolate tree. Nandito na pala lahat, may, no? May kami, tabi ka. Ayun, no? $2.99, no? Ne. Mura na yan. Sa atin kaya, magkano yan?
I wouldn't drink it though.
This one, may, I thought you want that. Huh?
Oh yeah. No, that's the mogu mogus here.
The Mogu Mogu, yan, oh. Yeah, get Mogu Mogu. Do you remember you love Mogu Mogu? Yan, oh, may buko. Yan, may yan.
Smaller bottles too at the bottom. There's so you can get
Six.
like a half.
Yeah, pwede.
Because that way they have one, you know what I mean, a little bit. Because then they'll just drink the whole for one day. They'll
Really?
drink that, so you know.
See, she
Hey,
loves
Bob, Daddy's getting a cart.
Mogu Mogu. Pineapple juice mo is $2.99. Talagang gusto niya. Ang sabi niya?
She's
So what?
she gets so like upset.
Buko.
$2.99.
$2.99. Gusto si Nick. Dito.
I told him to get a cart.
First time lang pala kayo dito, no? May? I thought, mango.
Ito ba sa atin?
Pamana. Sa atin meron yan.
Would I drink it though? I wouldn't want to drink it. It's just so pretty.
Yeah. Ang ganda, no?
No, the Sailor Moon one. I want to get the Sailor Moon.
Ayan, kumuha ka na.
Yeah.
May, kumuha ka na mo, gumugo mo.
Yeah, yan. Ito ang gusto nila.